Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we will learn about common nouns. Common nouns are general names for things. They help us talk about people, places, animals, objects, and ideas in everyday life. For example, the words cat, city, and happiness are all common nouns. Unlike proper nouns, which name specific things, common nouns refer to any member of a group. Common nouns fall into 5 main categories. First, people nouns include words like teacher, doctor, and friend. Second, places nouns include park, school, and restaurant. Third, animals nouns include dog, bird, and elephant. Fourth, things nouns include book, phone, and chair. These are objects we can touch. Fifth, ideas nouns include freedom, love, and courage. These are abstract concepts we cannot touch but can feel or understand. A common noun is a general name for a person, place, animal, thing, or idea. It does not name something specific or unique. For example, the word dog is a common noun because it refers to any dog, not a particular dog with a special name. Common nouns are always written in lowercase unless they appear at the beginning of a sentence. Let us look at 5 clear examples. Car is a common noun for an object. City is a common noun for a place. Teacher is a common noun for a person. Dog is a common noun for an animal. Happiness is a common noun for an idea or feeling. Each of these words represents a whole group of similar things rather than one specific thing. Understanding common nouns helps you speak and write clearly in English. Common nouns form the foundation of sentences by naming the basic elements like people, places, and things. When you learn to use common nouns correctly, you can describe your world more accurately. Knowing the difference between common nouns and proper nouns is key to using English accurately and effectively in daily communication. Common nouns are essential building blocks for sentences in English. They help you discuss everyday topics by naming people, places, animals, objects, and feelings. Every time you speak or write, you use common nouns. Practicing their use will improve your fluency and confidence in English communication. Keep practicing, and soon using common nouns will become natural and easy for you.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.